Welcome to InvestMates, your AI-powered digital wealth manager. Today, I'll show you how to import your investment portfolio, a crucial step to get a comprehensive view of your investments. To get started, open your app and go to the Wealth section. Once you're in the Wealth section, you'll notice the Link Portfolio button. Once you click on it, you'll notice various options: stocks, mutual funds, golds, crypto, and others. Select the type of portfolio you'd like to import. In this scenario, let's proceed with stocks. To import your stocks, you'll need to connect to your broker account. Don't worry, the process is completely secure. We use bank level encryption to ensure that your data is safe at every step. Just choose your broker, and here I'm proceeding with Grow. You can see here our app is trying to connect with the broker account, and in this case Grow. Give a while for the screen to load. Once the screen loads, you can choose your account to log in. Enter your PIN so that you can log into your broker account. Once the login is successful, our app will be fetching your holdings and the portfolio is imported successfully. Once the import is complete, you'll have immediate access to in-depth analysis, analytics, and personalized recommendation to help you make better financial decisions. And that's it. With your portfolio imported, you're now ready to explore everything InvestMates has to offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to import your portfolio today to start maximizing your financial potential.